Which of the following is an example of a chemical change? Answer: burning wood. Which of the following is often used as a bleaching agent? Answer: chlorine. What is the other name for the solid form of carbon dioxide? Answer: dry ice. What is the atomic number of carbon? Answer: 6. Which of the following elements is a noble gas? Answer: helium. What is the chemical formula for water? Answer: H2O. Which of the following is the lightest element? Answer: hydrogen. Which subatomic particle has a positive charge? Answer: proton. Which of the following is a halogen element? Answer: chlorine.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.